Hi everyone! In this video, we will provide you with a walkthrough of a Smart Pixel Pegs creation using your Smart Pixelator device and the Smart Pixelator app. If you have not yet used the app, you may want to stop this video and watch the app tutorial video first and then come back to this video. We will create the bird peg activity. Please note that although in this video we will be using the app, it is not mandatory to use the app for any activity other than photo activities, which we will go over in a separate video. Now, let's set up the Smart Pixelator. We want to find the bird peg activity in the Smart Pixelator app. Go ahead and launch the app to get started. Make sure your device is connected to the app via Bluetooth. Again, if you are unsure on how to do this, please refer to the app tutorial video. From the home screen of the app, tap on the Pegs category. Now tap on the Bird activity. As you can see, this activity calls for 10 different colors of pegs. Since the organizer tray only has 7 pockets, it is recommended to place the color you need per the step you will be working on. So let's go ahead and tap on Start. We are now greeted with a short in-app tutorial that tells us to place the pegs tray onto the Smart Pixelator device. The next step in the in-app tutorial tells us how to place pegs into the peg tray. We use our fingers when working with pegs. The first screen we see after the in-app tutorial shows us what the bird will look like after we have placed all the pegs. Let's tap the right-facing arrow to go to step 1. The first step shows us that we will be working with light blue pegs. Let's put light blue pegs into the organizer tray and start. Continue to the next step and repeat using the appropriate color. Continue this process until you have completed the activity. Now that we have completed placing the pegs, we can frame our creation. First thing we want to do is to remove the peg tray from the Pixelator. Now, holding the peg tray in one hand, take the frame and lay it on top of the tray like so. Make sure to snap each corner into place for a secure fit. Now you may insert the frame stand like this and place your creation on a table or shelf. The frame is reusable. That's it! You now have a completed Smart Pixelator peg creation. Check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.